Hi, my name is Adetokunbo, and myself and my partner, Maryam Adetokunbo, built an HVAC app for people in the HVAC industry that can also serve the construction, the plumbing, electrical, and related industry. And what this application does is that it is one source of truth for companies who wants to onboard their clients, have their clients make the request of what they want, even with the pictures of what they want. It is also the place that technicians can also track their job, log their jobs for the admin to see. It is also the place clients can also track the progress of their own jobs that are being worked on in the company. It is also where the admin is able to see everything that is happening in the company, from the technician to the clients, and even invoices, payments, and all that. So I'll just show you. So on my screen here is the landing page of the app, and if you're a new client, this login button will not show, but because I'm the one, we created it from our end, that's why it's showing. So the first thing the client is going to do is to click on this get started to put in their details if they need to make inquiries, and it will be filled in our database, which I'll show you subsequently. But when they have been onboarded and they are given login details, they can come back here and they will log in. So first off, this is what the login page looks like, and when they log in, they'll be asked to put in a password. First off, this is our admin home. This is what the admin page looks like. So this is where you can see active technicians, that are available and not on leave to work. If you want to add more technicians, you can come here and onboard them with their rates and any additional notes and their headshots. These are what you would see as the admin from the portal. So if you want to see jobs that are in progress by status, you see it here, the paid invoices and the months they were paid. You'll see it here. Then all the jobs that are being done, this is where you can see them at a glance. If you click on projects, you can also see the jobs by status, and this is where you also see upcoming schedules that are assigned by the technician. So this is heat service, and this is the schedule of when it will be worked on. And this is the schedule of where all of this will be worked on and by their time. These are the active jobs that technicians are working on. And if you click into it, you can see the assigned technician as Ade James, the address, and every detail. If you want to assign a technician to that same job, you can do that. If you want to add more job, maybe you want to assign another technician to the job, you can do this from the front end. So this is the account for the technician. The technician is only being able to see the job they only are assigned to. They can't see the job of another technician. So if I come in here, I can see what is assigned to me as commit. Me and Ade James have been assigned to this job. So we can see everything that concerns us, the repairs and the picture of the repair we're supposed to do, and the schedule on our calendar for us to see. So if there were more jobs, they can search here for the jobs they need to do. So this is also the place of assets where if they want to borrow something from the company for them to use to work on sites, they can do that. So, and they will see what they have borrowed. And if they want to check out the project, if they want to check in that's checking is when they borrow, they click on check in and updates. It will show that they have checked in here. If they are done and they have returned the item, they don't have access to the database, only the admin does. Even the clients don't have access to the database. They can come in here and update checkouts. And if they want to borrow more assets, this is where they come. They pick the assets that they want to borrow. They mention whether they've checked in, write a note, and if they click on add, it will reflect here. So now this is a client's page, and yeah, if you can see, it's called the client home. So this is where the clients can see the progress of their jobs. So if you click into this space, you can see details of your job as the clients that is being worked on. You can see the priority, you can see when it's scheduled to end, when it's scheduled to start, your address, and the technician that is assigned to you, and screenshots of what the technician has taken on sites that needs to be fixed. And if you scroll down, you can see it, and each client is assigned a number. So when you click on these numbers are assigned to different clients. If you click into it, you can't see anything because it's not your job. So when we tell you that your project is being worked on, we'll just let you know to come and search for your number here. And when you search for your number, you would see everything that concerns you. And this is the back end. This is the database. So everybody is here: the admin, the clients, the technicians. this is where all of them are. These are where the clients are. When they fill the form from the portal, their details are being shown here. They mention what their problems are, their contacts and everything. This is where the technicians are, and this is where the jobs are being assigned to the technicians, the dates and all the details that there is, and the image that they are uploading from the vicinity. This is where their jobs are being logged in. Their invoices are being tracked here. This is where quotes are also in. This is where the assets are. That's when they borrow something from the site, and available equipment that are to be borrowed or to be used on site is being seen here. And this is where you track the movement of the assets. Remember when I showed you the check-in and check-out in the technician's profile? This is where everything is being tracked. So I built all of this. Myself and my partner built this in 7 days. And if you have such needs, it will be our pleasure to work on this with you. Thank you.